I've received interesting digital microscope because it has built-in screen, it also has HDMI output, it has USB output, it also has a built-in function for recording videos, and it has 3 lenses for different zoom levels. So it sounds really good, but let's test it if it only sounds good or if it is good. So let's start by unboxing this box. User manual, list of the components, and also assembly. Here is the screen, and here is HDMI, USB, and MicroSD slot. HDMI to mini HDMI cable. Here we have a control for the lights and 3 connectors. Here is some container, USB power supply, USB-C cable for power, 2 screws, more screws and glasses with samples, remote control because we can digitally change the zoom and control other things. Here we have 2 of the lenses. Here is base with the light and power input. Here we have 1 mounting piece, another mounting piece, and the base with the lights. And that's all in the box. Now let's use this assembly instruction and assemble this digital microscope. First step, we mount this rod to the base, like this. Then we mount this piece on this rod. Now we take the screen and unscrew the third lens that is already mounted. Let's hope that it still works. Now we mount the screen and lock it with the screws. And now we put the lens back. Now we assemble metal clips. Here they are. And also we have in this back little thing like this. And here are the clips. We put them like this. We put a screw from the top and the spring on the bottom. And like this, we screw them to the base. And if you are using lens D, we additionally put this base and plug it in. Right now I have lens A put in, so I don't use it at this moment, but later we will use it probably. And this microscope is assembled. Let's take out the sticker and the screen protector. So let's plug it in. We will see the samples that they gave us. But I've also prepared few samples that I want to test. One end, this, let's plug it into the lights on the base. Second cable, USB-C, is connect to the screen, and the input to the USB power supply. It is turned on. Here we have the lights and the controller. I can control it using this controller. So right now I have the A lens mounted. Also I have right here 2 other lenses. Here is a lens D and lens L. And in the manual we have informations that L is good, for example, for circuit boards. A is good, for example, for coins. And D is good for microscope slides. So let's start for the coin because I have the lens A mounted right now. I've turned on built-in recording so we will better see what I can see. And let's start from this coin. And here it is, one side, other side. This is how we can see it. And let's digitally zoom in now. This is after digital zoom. 3 times I zoom in digitally on it and you can see what the quality is. Let's also test the remote control, and I can also zoom out using this remote control. I can dim in, I can make it brighter, I could stop the recording, and also I have many options right here, you can see. So the remote control is working. Here on the front of the screen, here is a receiver, so we have to point it at this point. Let's test the L lens. I have a Raspberry Pi to see how it will look like. So let's unscrew the lens A and let's see it. And here you can see what is the quality. We can easily see all the details of this PCB. And for test, let's see again the coin, how it will look under other lens. It is much more zoomed in. And let's also digitally zoom it in. This is the maximum zoom on the lens L with digital zoom. You can see all the small details. And now let's test the lens D and all the smallest samples. And now let's mount this base with the light for this lens D. And let's see what they gave us. We have 5 pieces. First thing is pine stem. Let's lower the microscope. And here you can see that thing, how much we are zoomed in. And of course I could digitally zoom in more. Let's see other sample. Next thing, we have part of the onion. Here you can see how it looks like. Let's see the third sample, honeybee wing. Here you can easily see all the details. Here we have a leg. And here you can see it. All the details. And the last sample, here we have that thing. This is how it looks like. And let's try to see this small leaf, how it will look like. This is how its surface looks like. Here you can even see small drops of water. Let's go back to the L lens. Here with the same leaf for comparison from further away. Sometimes smaller zoom may be better for some things. Let's see this MicroSD card, how it will look like. You can easily read its number. And other side. Let's also see this cloth, how it will look like. We can see all the details. How it exactly is built. And let's see some text, for example, from this manual. This is how the letters looks like. So it works great. You've seen the quality, that the quality is good, especially for its price, because this is not an expensive device. It's quite cheap. It has built-in screen. We can also output the view on the HDMI, so we can put it even on a bigger screen. And I can recommend this microscope because for its price it is really good and really useful in many situations. And that's all for today. Like, subscribe, and be nice.